Hello everyone, and meet the Soligt 2 quart glass mason jar pitchers for all your favorite homemade beverages. These large 64-ounce containers feature stylish navy and yellow lids to brighten up any kitchen. Each pour spout lid includes a sturdy handle and an airtight seal for preventing messy liquid leaks. Use these versatile pitchers to store sun tea, cold brew coffee, or fresh milk inside your refrigerator. The heavy-duty glass is durable and easy to clean in your dishwasher for convenient daily use. You also receive 16 waterproof chalkboard labels to help you organize every single drink with ease. These pitchers make a wonderful gift for friends who enjoy crafting delicious and healthy drinks at home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.